Hi, in this video, I will show you on how you can set a timer on the Canva whiteboard. And this feature is very useful when you are working on a whiteboard with multiple people and you want to make sure that everything is done within the desired time. So you can make sure that everybody is contributing and they are very productive. So how do you insert a timer in this whiteboard? I have this presentation whiteboard, and the way to do that, the way to insert a timer is you can click on the timer button right here to show the timer. And by default, this is the setting that you are going to get. So it is a 5-minute countdown, but you can also add more minute or reduce to maybe 2 minutes or maybe 1 minute. And interestingly, you can also pause the timer, you can reset, you can also add some music, you can adjust the volume of the ticking or the music. So the music is here. So by default, you can select focus, dramatic, upbeat, energetic, and lo-fi music. These are great selections to give a cue to everybody that when the music is stopped, it means the time is up. So they don't really have to look at the timer every single time. So that's, I think, very useful. Let's say I'm selecting lo-fi, and let's select the music to be this level and the timer to be just 2 minutes. When I click play, you don't always have to enable this, you don't have always to show this timer. You can click minimize and the timer is still running, as well as the music. And by the way, this is also work when you are presenting the document. So I think it's very useful when you are when you want to make sure that everything is done correctly in the most efficient way possible. So that's exactly how you can enable a timer in the Canva whiteboard.